Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. In the edition of this video, we're going to be discussing about the Pandas Groupby function. We're going to go over different concepts such as simple grouping, hierarchy grouping, and many more. Yeah, before going further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be the first to be notified when I upload data science and machine learning videos. Well, guys, without further ado, let's go. This Pandas Groupby method is a method that is provided by Pandas to group your data into categories, to group your column of data into categories. Okay, the first step which we are going to be going over, we're going to be importing our pandas as PD. We already imported it. Then we are going to create a simple pandas data frame. I've already created mine already, so we don't waste time creating a data frame. I already created mine. Let me just paste it here. This is a simple data frame that contains color of different objects. You can see the colors here: green, red, white, white and green. Item, pen, ball, book, pen, and so on and so forth. And the price of the item, price 1 and the price 2. Okay. Let me show you the data frame we just created. This data frame we just created. As I said before, the column are the color, item, price 1, and price. Okay, to start with this our pandas groupby method here, we're going to be grouping these our prices based on the color of the item. Okay, to do that, I simply call my group 1. I'm going to store it in the variable group 1 should be my df price. Okay, go to grouping. Okay, is price 1. Go to grouping price 1 based on the colors. Okay, my df. I go to grouping based on the colors. Let me run this now, and let me call my group 1 we just created. To access the groups, okay, group 1, I simply give it the extension dot group. Let me see the group. What is this? This supposed to be, okay. You know what this now? You can see the groups we just created. You can see here the price whose color is green is located at index 0 and index 5. The price whose color is red is located at index 1 and index 3. And also the price whose color is white is located at index 2 and index 4. You can also do more with this pandas groupby method. This group we just created, you can do more with it. You can check for the mean and call my group 1. Why do I keep always making the same mistake? Group 1.mean. Let me run this. You can see here it gives me the mean of each of the price of the categories. I see here my green here. If you calculate the mean of this, my green at index 0 and index 5 of price 1, and also the mean of my red, and also the mean of my white. I can also check for the standard deviation of each category. As here is also giving me the standard deviation, and also not only that, I can also check for the sum of each row in the category. As here, my green is 61, my red is 50, and my white is 35. Okay, going over to our next concept of hierarchy indexing. Let me give my title here. Hierarchy grouping. Okay, hierarchy grouping. To perform hierarchy indexing, we're going to be grouping our data based on multiple categories. Okay, to do that, I'm going to create a new variable. I'm going to call this group 2. Should be equal to my df. I'm going to be grouping our price 1 as before. Group by. This time, I'm going to be placing our categories which are going to be grouping by in a list. Okay, the first category which we are going to be grouping by, we're going to group by the color, and also by the item. Okay, let me run this now. Let me call my group. So let me check the groups. Okay, here you can see my group of our items. You can see here, first of all, it's going to group it or categorize it by the color of the item. Okay, that's why you see here we have green, red, white, and white. Before then, starting grouping by the item. So you can see here now my green book is located at my index 5, which is here. So same go with my green pen. My green pen is at index 0, which is here also. Also my red ball. My red ball is at index 1, which is also here. So that's why you perform hierarchy indexing. Because you can also group the item. You can also group multiple items by categories. Because since we will be grouping just a single item, which is this my price 1. Okay. Let me study our group in variable group 3. What is df this time is going to be accepting a list of my columns. Price 1. Okay, also my price 2. Okay, go to group it by my color. Run this for my group 3. Then we just check for the mean directly. Okay, you can see here, here's the mean of our group 3. Let me call my data frame again so we can easily understand what's going on here. Is the mean of my green column of price 1. The mean is 30.5, and also for all my red price 1, the mean is 25, and also for my white price 1 is 17.5. Same goes with my price 2. So that's why you simply use the group by function in Pandas. You guys, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos on Pandas. I'll place the link in the description below. Okay guys, thanks for watching.